For this video, I would like to share how we can identify, how we can note our Arduino is good. Alright, so maybe you bought it from the local store or you bought it from online and you want to identify your Arduino is working. Of course, you need to have USB cable, which is to transfer the data, alright, to transfer the code to the Arduino board. So physical, once you see the physical, first thing we have to check is the physical Arduino board. Of course that there's nothing damaged in the body here, and so the body is good and no damage sign here. The pin is fine, it's not broken, but we still cannot identify this thing is either good or not good. So the power supplies you can use, this is between a 5 to 12 volt. So the first thing is we have to use this USB cable to upload the code. Alright, we're gonna write a very simple code. So we plug into the computer so that we can upload the code. So this LED is showing that Arduino board is on, the power is connected, and this is to show the signal. Right, signal, there is no the signal coming yet. So what we need to have is, I'm going to use a very small breadboard here, and the first thing we have to check is from the power. So Arduino output is from here. This is 5 volt and a ground, right? So the 5 volt we connect to jumper wire, and we're gonna use one breadboard here, and the ground wire and connects to one side of the breadboard. So this cable is a 5 volt and this is the ground. Alright, so we're gonna use LED, any color will do. Alright, so the long pin is positive and the short is negative. So positive, negative, and from the 5 volts to LED we're going to use 220 ohm resistor. So this 5 volt output is good. Alright, so what I want to make sure is digital pins either is good or not good, right? So this things work, and I'm gonna remove the 5 volt here and will connect to this pin 0. Alright, if you connect the pin 0, you will have automatically a light up because this is receive, transmit. This is not suggest that transmit and receive to use for digital input and output. This is not really stable, not recommended to use. So normally we use 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 until 13. So pin 0 and pin 1, there is transmit and receive. So all the times this will not stable, so we don't use that. We use for pin number 2, right? Because here transmit and receive, these two pins not recommended to use for the output, but still you can use, but the signal will not stable. Okay, so we're going to test from the pin number 2, and I'm going to write a simple code that I'm going to upload to the Arduino board. So we can simply open the Arduino IDE. Right, so what we're gonna do is here, click to the file and example, just click to the example here, and we're gonna test with the busy here. It comes down, and here I just click the blink. Alright, then we close this step and make it bigger, the screen. So here, this is to blink LED. Alright, you don't have to write the code, and this is very simple. So now we're going to test pin number 2. So the pin number 2 here is the LED built-in. I'm going to adjust from here, just a pin number 2. So built-in is pin number 13, so I'm not going to use yet. We're going to test from pin number 2, pin number 2 high, pin number 2 low. Okay, so here is pin number. Which pin you want to test, you just type the pin here. If you change here already, then you have to change here as well. And of course, here is the Arduino Uno and popcom, and click to upload the code. Alright, so LED is blink. So this pin is good. And if you want to test pin number 3, remove this cable to pin number 3, and inside the code just change to pin number 3. And upload again. Alright, so this pin is good. And in this position, you can change, you can try to change all the pins, and you can test all your Arduino pin is working or not working. So I hope you this video will help for someone, and I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching.